symbol of service, integrity, and honor for our town. He is a testament to the strength and ambition of Viganò youth. He is a graduate of Bachelor of Science in Criminology, hailing from Barangay San Jose Poblacion, and proudly representing Barangay Rizal. The only son of Mr. Ray de la Rosa and Mrs. Maria Luisa P. de la Rosa. He is guided by a powerful philosophy that speaks volume of his character. I respect people who tell me the truth, no matter how bad it is. This belief in honesty and integrity is the very foundation of a leader committed to genuine societal change. Let us all rise and give a resounding applause to our new king as he makes his grand entrance. Please welcome Mr. Viga 2025, Mr. Charles Ray Tumala de la Rosa.
Ladies and gentlemen, the moment we have all been waiting for is finally here. We are about to witness the entrance of our new queen, a young woman who represents the pinnacle of beauty, grace, and intellect. She is not just a title holder, she is a symbol of our community's bright future. The only daughter of Mr. Gerardo T. Olpindo and Mrs. Elizabeth T. Olpindo. She proudly represents the barangays of San Pedro and San Pablo, an exceptional grade 12 STEM student. Her brilliance is matched only by her unwavering faith in her life philosophy. Let go and let God. With the grace of a queen and the heart of a servant, let us all rise and give a resounding applause to our queen as she makes her grand entrance. Please welcome our Miss Viga 2025, Natalie Princess Tayamora